inside. And now, guys, let them all know. Did you have fun? Yeah.
I'm not wrong about it.
Alrighty, friends, how are we all doing today? Good, glad to hear it. Are you ready for some fun? Are you ready for an adventure? Yeah, wrong ride, guys. We don't have fun here. Yeah. Are you ready to work? You chose the wrong ride, guys. Sorry. Anyways, paddles up. Let's get this over with then, okay? Paddles up. Alrighty, friends, your inside hand, the hand closest to the middle, right over here. Place it right here in the very tippy top of the fishtail, just like this. Your outside hand, the one hand closest to the water, place it right here near the base of the blade. Just make sure your hands look like mine, okay? And on the count of 3, we will all dip our paddle in the water, dig deep, and pull the water back. Are we ready?
Yeah!
Guys, come on. Pretend to be excited. I said, are we ready?
Yeah!
Better. You guys better be, because there's a big pirate ship coming right at us. They have a motor. I got you guys. All right, folks, paddles up. On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Steer rope. Steer rope. Steer rope. Steer rope. Steer rope. Steer rope. Keep it up, my friends. Keep it up. That is it, folks. That is it. No serious, guys. This is it. Yeah, let's start and fire up. And now you know why our line was good. Anyways, my friends, welcome aboard the world famous Davy Crockett for Canoes. My name is Eddie, and today I will be your river guide for the very next fun-filled 45 minutes. Yeah, that's right, my friends. You did hear that correctly. I did say fun-filled. 45 minutes is based off our current speed and how some of us already gave up paddling. Yeah, don't worry though, they're filming you right now, so they're gonna film you struggling. Yeah, it's okay, guys. Anyways, my friends, we have a second river guy joining us. This is my brother in the back. His name is Joe. Everybody turn around. Give him a big howdy.
Howdy!
Howdy, guys. Please don't stop paddling.
That's right, my friends. This is the lowest budget ride in all of Disneyland. As you can see, we only got a little dough, and that's it. That's right, my friends. Yeah, they're actually filming the new Bambi on the island. Flashing. And our third and final rule is no standing up, nor switching any seats. Because if you stand up and you fall in, yeah, you're on your own. Anyways, my friends, who here is ready to go faster? Wow, nobody, eh? Yeah, don't worry though, I get paid by the hour, not by the credit ticket. Anyways, my friends, I'm gonna take a seat now and help us out. Let's get this over with. Alright, friends, keep it up, folks. Keep it up, keep it up. At this point in the journey, I'd like to ask, are you guys having fun so far?
Yeah!
I mentioned the baby movie they were filming? Oh, yeah. Anyways, my friends, keep it up, folks, keep it up. We just about made it to the halfway point of the ride, my friends, so keep on paddling. We do have an entire second half to go, my friends. I'm sorry to tell you this, but the next half will be our most dangerous part of our journey. It's up ahead, my friends, just around the riverbed behind me. There will be ghosts, there will be pirates, and worst of all, there's an audience watching you now. And guess what? That audience, they are from Southern California, and they will be judging you too. So I need you all to do me a very big favor. Just try smiling. Yeah, pretend like you're having fun. Trick someone out there like somebody tricked you, okay? Anyways, folks, I'm gonna take a seat now to help us on out. Who do you think is the fastest big bloody boat right here behind me? Woo! Yes, we should, guys. The park is not going anywhere. Keep on paddling, friends. I'll take a seat down and help us out. Let's get this over with. We're not done yet. Keep on going, folks. Keep on going. Don't worry, though. I do have some news for you that will make you laugh and smile. The end is in sight. Right down over there. The end of lap number 1. Yeah, we have 3 more to go. Lap number 2 is speed, and Derek. And the 4th and final lap. Kids, get out and push. Yeah,
that's someone who's not paddling.
Why are you guys like that? Two more good strokes, we'll call it a day. 1 and 2, my friends. Paddles up and inside the canoe. Paddles up and down, up and down, up and down. Hands, arms, fingers, paddles, and toes inside the canoe. Until we put the stuff in the park. Alrighty, my friends. Now for our long and lengthy line, did we have fun? Yeah! Delayed, but I'll take it.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. That was actually my next question. Are we going again?
Yeah!
Yeah, not on my cue, guys. Alright, folks. Last question. Do we pedal hard?
Yeah!
No.
Thank you for being honest, whoever said no. Everybody else, you know what you did. Or didn't do, rather. Hang on tight just for one more moment, my friends. Hang on tight. I do have one last little thing to share to you. It is something that my father told me when I turned 18. Now, he was a man of very few words, so that fateful day he said to me, son, get out.